How are you children? Yes, you are fine and safe. Children, yesterday I gave the workbook part to write. Which question I gave you people to write, children? I gave you which question? Which one? The 19th one and 20th. The 19th one, page number 6. Have you done the work? Yes, you are very good children. You will do your work. Those who have, okay, if you have done, just once you check the answer you have written. Those who have, if you have done, okay, just you see the answer you have written correct or wrong. Okay, children? Yes. The Kalpana Chawla and, okay, children? Kalpana Chawla, an astronaut of Indian origin, met with an accident on her way back from a space journey. Do you think space exploration should be well planned? Write any 3 points to support your answer. Yes, answer is here, children. See here. Yes, space exploration should be well planned. If they are not planned properly, they can lead to accidents in space, loss of life and loss of equipment. Okay, children? Okay, children, read once again. Yes, space explorations should be well planned. If they are not planned properly, they can lead to accidents in space, loss of life and loss of equipment. See this children, write properly, okay? Copy it, okay children? Next one, 20th answer. 20th answer, children. Space explorations are conducted by NASA, ESA, ISRO and so on. Write the full forms of any two of these. Write 2 lines about any one of them. Yes, the answer is here, children, on the board. Okay, children? Look at the board, children. NASA, the full form of this. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO was founded in 1969. It is famous for sending Mangalyaan into space. Okay, children? Children, NASA, National Aeronautic and Space Administration. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO was founded in 1969. It is famous for sending Mangalyaan into space. Okay, children? Children, we have written these answers. Yes, 2 answers you have finished. Yes, we have finished our workbook part first lesson, and you have to prepare for ST from lesson number 1. The question number, you have to prepare for ST from question number 1 to 6. 1 to 6. You have to prepare for ST tomorrow. Okay? You have to write the homework, children. Learn and write question number 7 to 12 from workbook in homework. From the workbook you have to write in the homework. Okay, children? Hi, children. We have finished our first lesson. Yes? And today we are going to start our second lesson. What is the name of the second lesson? The shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. Yes, children? And the shape of the earth and its movements. Yes. The reading of book about the earth. And what we are going to tell those are reading the books of about the earth. We are going to tell them, we call them as astronomer. We call them as astronomer. A person who studies about the stars, planets and other objects in space. Yes? And what is this? What is this, children? Yes, it is a shape of a earth. It is a shape of a earth. Okay, children? Yes? Okay? And the astronomer is a person who studies stars, planets and other objects in space. Yes children. And he who discovered that the earth travels around the sun? Who is he? Okay. Who is he children? Who is he? Johannes Kepler. He discovered that the earth travels around the sun. Okay. Do you have anytime you have any doubt about this? About the earth? Where it is and how it is? Yes, you have many doubts. Yes, the shape of the earth is the third planet in the solar system. Means from the sun it is third planet. Yes children, we have learnt in the solar system before lesson. Yes, it is only the planet, the solar system where the life exists. Only on this planet only the human beings and the lives can be live there. The earth is in spherical shape. The earth is in spherical shape. Okay. And it is flat here. Top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. And the shape is known as, what is that shape children? Okay. Okay. This shape is also known as oblate sphere. Okay children. Children, there is an imaginary line that runs through the earth from top to bottom. This is known as axis. This is known as axis. Yes, and the earth spins. Spins means like this. Spins. Okay, on its own axis. On its own axis. Okay, understood children? Yes. The earth also travels around the sun. Travels around the sun. Sun and the earth travels. Okay? And the earth also travels around the sun. Okay? In a fixed path. In a fixed path. This is called an orbit. This is called an orbit. Okay children? Okay? Children, the movements of earth. There are two different movements of earth. They are rotation and revolution. First, let us know about the rotation. First, let us know about the rotation. Yes. And the earth around its axis. This means the earth is moving around its own axis. Means this is called the rotation. Okay. This is called the rotation. Children, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete its rotation. Okay, understood? It takes 24 hours. Means the day and night. It is causing the day and night. Yes, children? Okay. Okay children, the rotation of earth causes day and night. Did you understand about the rotation? Yes. And now we are going to learn about the revolution. We are going to learn about the revolution. Okay. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path. The movement of the earth. The sun in the middle. Okay. And the movement of the earth around the sun is called the revolution. Okay, it is moving. Okay children, it is moving. And here the earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete the revolution around the sun. And this revolution, what it causes? It causes the seasons. Okay children, understood? Children, rotation. Rotation means the earth around its own axis. Means like this, around. It completes and it takes 24 hours to finish its rotation. Okay. And in this rotation, day and night is caused. Okay children. And the revolution it takes 365 1/4 days to complete the revolution. Means it is moving around the sun. The earth is moving around the sun on its own orbit. Means on the way, the same path. Okay. And it causes the seasons. It causes the seasons. Okay children, did you understand about the rotation and the revolution? Yes. Children, take your textbook, page number 6, the lesson number 2, the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. Let us learn about the shape of the earth and its movements. Why the earth is an, okay children, oblate sphere. How we can prove the shape of the earth, other planets in the solar system. Think, Rashi is reading a book about the earth. She tells Mihir about a famous astronomer named Johannes Kepler. Mihir, who is an astronomer? Rashi, an astronomer is a person who studies stars, planets and other objects in space. Mihir, wow, tell me what you read about Kepler. Rashi, it was Johannes Kepler who discovered that the earth travels around the sun. Mihir, wow. What does an astronomer study? What about stars, planets and other objects in space? It's remembering part. The shape of the earth. The earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. The earth is spherical in shape. It is flattened at the top and bulging near the middle. The shape is known as an oblate sphere. There is an imaginary line that runs through the earth from top to bottom known as the axis. The earth spins on its axis. The axis on the earth is slightly tilted. The earth also travels around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. Movements of the earth. There are two different movements on the earth. They are rotation and revolution. Okay children, the spinning of the earth around its axis is called rotation. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the earth causes days and nights. Revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. The revolution of the earth causes seasons and years. Okay children?